Hi, this is Ferela from anyhousecleaning.com, and this is a big project to do. This person, when depressed and had a lot of things inside the house, she wants to organize and have a new beginning. She has 3 dogs and 2 cats. I have 4 people working right now, and with myself, I'm the 5th person. Right now, Carlos is in the kitchen checking expired food, open containers, throw it out garbage. In the meantime, Alejandro is working in this area and he's separating things. Empty bag for Christmas, trash bags, empty trash bags or bags from Publix, Target. He's organizing in detail. Nothing is in detail right now. We are trying to work fast and we try to open the space so we can clean. That's the major thing. But we cannot clean this house if there is no space. So he just accommodated the books. Nada en detenimiento. He separated all the blankets that he found around the house. I'm looking for all spray bottles or cleaning products. She buys a lot of cleaning products. Some of them are dirty or empty. Perdón, Alejandro. So I have a container to put all the cleaning supplies, and we're gonna remove it for the house. Then just separating things. So I have Freddy that he's in the porch. The porch has dog poo and pee, cat pee. He removed all the poo that it was on the floor and he's taking out all the garbage. Just working around and try to accommodate. Today is not a cleaning day. Tomorrow we are gonna come and clean. Today is just to open a space and try to figure out what is garbage or what is not. He needs some space, so that's good that he opened the table and make some space. Good. The owner of this house suffered for years from depression, and her mother passed away, her husband passed away years ago, and she likes to paint rocks. She has a talent, but she told me that she doesn't feel energized. She doesn't feel like good to paint anymore. 2 years the house was like that. So she needs a new beginning, and we are here to help her. We are gonna separate the dog stuff. We bought some Febreze too to spray. A lot of things. Elizabeth is right now searching for some clothes to sort what is for donation. Separate the garbage. Everything that is everything that is cleaning right there. There is another room here. The other bathroom is not that bad. Nobody used that, but everything is packed of things. And this is a project not only for today, and I don't know if we are gonna finish tomorrow. Maybe we're gonna take more time. A lot of blankets, things that she needs to pack and donate. A lot of paper toilet here. That was her mother's closet that she passed away. Oh my God. What I'm so happy that she's willing for a new change, for a new beginning. So everything that is cleaning right there. she buy a lot of cleaning supplies. What he's doing, he's trying to compact the dog food. So he opened the bag and put in a Ziploc, and it will be more organized.
Todas las bolsas de perro están abiertas.
Okay, yeah, all the dog food are open. So there is no point to store or organize each bag. So he put everything like a mix. Thank you, Carlos. Excellent. It's more open now. I like that. There is poo, dog poo. See. Okay, and this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and I'm happy that she called us, because we are the right company to do this. I'm gonna start recording and help them to continue working. This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, 407-572-4118.